Are you ready to finally crack the code on turning leads into real tangible income? Let's get real. Leads alone aren't money. The real magic happens when you have high quality leads that are ready to convert, leads you can close or even sell to businesses desperate for paying clients. That's where the real income begins. Imagine this, not just collecting names and numbers, but identifying high quality leads that are primed to buy. Leads you can close or even sell to businesses hungry for new customers. Hi, I am Faraz Alami, and after years of struggling with outdated lead generation methods, wasting time, money, and energy on tools that never delivered, I decided enough was enough. I set out to create a system that could eliminate the struggles and inefficiencies of traditional lead generation and finally make it simple, effective, and profitable. It was a system that takes the guesswork out of finding and converting leads. It's not just about the volume of leads you collect, it's about their quality and how easily they can turn into actual revenue. And when you have high quality leads, you're not just collecting data, you're closing deals and building a pipeline of consistent, predictable income. Let me show you exactly what I mean with these testimonials. Now, here's the thing, most people are stuck using outdated methods that don't work anymore. They're wasting hours chasing low quality leads that go nowhere, spending money on ads with no return, and juggling multiple tools that create more headaches than results. But what if there was a way to change all that? What if you could instantly identify and prioritize leads that are most likely to convert? Introducing LeadsMate AI. Find leads that practically sell themselves without the grind or guesswork. Not only that, you can also use LeadsMate AI to start your own lead generation agency, offering businesses exactly what they're desperate for: qualified buyers. Here's how it works. Step 1, plug in and start instantly. Just enter your business category, keywords, or target location. LeadsMate AI pulls leads from multiple platforms in seconds, no manual searching required. Step 2, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Advanced AI sorts and scores your leads, showing you exactly which prospects are more likely to convert. It even suggests personalized opening lines that grab attention and increase your chances of closing the deal. Step 3, take action and watch the results roll in. With just a few clicks, reach out to your leads through email, SMS, or social media. LeadsMate AI helps you craft messages that resonate, making it easier to build trust and close sales. And here's the kicker. Not only can you use this for your own business, but you can also start offering lead generation as a service. Businesses everywhere are willing to pay top dollar for high quality leads they can act on immediately. Now imagine this, finding leads for a local dentist and helping them book more patients, helping a real estate agent connect with serious buyers and sellers, partnering with a digital agency that's struggling to find quality prospects. With LeadsMate AI, you're not just helping yourself, you're creating a business opportunity that's in high demand. Still skeptical? Here's the proof. Right now, you have the chance to get lifetime access to LeadsMate AI. Yes, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Just one powerful dashboard that does it all and sets you up for long-term success. But you need to act fast. This limited time offer won't not last. Once we switch to a subscription model, this deal is done for good. Click the button below to get started today. Don't let outdated methods hold you back any longer. Your next sale or your next big client is just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen. Welcome to the official demo video of LeadsMate AI. As you can see right here, this is the intuitive dashboard. And the first thing you need to do is go into tutorials. Once you enter the tutorials section, there's multiple different videos and steps that you need to apply. So please go through them carefully and apply every single integration right in here. Voila. Now we've got something called here submit feature request. We've implemented this within the app so that we get various feedbacks from different clients on some exclusive features that could benefit you and us as well as future clients. Now, first things first, it's about leads. We've got here four different ways to obtain leads. We've got Google Leads, domain leads, which is amazing, LinkedIn leads, and Facebook leads. The first thing we're going to go to is Google Leads. For example, let's search for real estate agent based on keyword. Then you place the location. So say we want to search for leads in New York, and we are a CRM system for real estate agents and we want to sell them that. You pick the radius, say I want to go through 20 kilometers, and you press on search. All you do after that is select all and add leads to Leads Manager. Create a campaign and you add the campaign, then you save it. Now, each result gives you 20. If you need more, you just scroll down and you load more. It will give you more and more options. Now, as you can see right here, the email address is not available because Google doesn't provide you the email lead. It provides you the phone number. And with LeadsMate AI, we got two ways of reaching out to clients. First is email, and second is the phone number. And we're going to elaborate on that later on. Now, how do we obtain these emails from these listings? We've got our own engine, and I'm going to show you something really exciting in a bit. We've created an engine that goes and dig in through our databases to locate all the email addresses related to that certain local business. And voila, you can add them into the autoresponder as well. Now, let's go here and check out how to find them. Once you save them, you go into Leads Manager. In the Leads Manager, you pick the campaign, which is the real estate New York. You show the leads, and voila. As you can see right here, these are all the leads with the contact details. As you can see right in here, we got them. Not all of them, but we got a bunch of them. Okay, as you can see right here. Now you can actually email them and contact them right from within the system. All you have to do is press on email and it takes you to the email section. So we've integrated our technology, Cleverly Box, within the system so you can email and reach out to these businesses within. And we've got multiple categories and done for you stuff. So say it's a PPC campaign, a content marketing, reputation management. You can pick different templates that we've already created and edit them as well. And you can add the GMB report. So if there was a GMB report that you created for the specific client, you can attach it right here by toggling this and boom, you send. You can test the email, you can validate the mail, and you can send. It's going to go out to these contact details related to the owners of this business, as you can see. Now, there is as well something called domain leads, and this is really powerful, guys. Really, really powerful. What you can achieve with domain leads is basically you can get all the contact details of every different business that registers their domain names every 24 hours. So every day you enter this dashboard and you want to find all these new businesses that registered their domain names. Now you can find them in here based on country. So say you're in Israel or you're in Nigeria or you're in Spain. All you got to do is select the country. So say let's go to Spain and you apply the filter. It will go through and scrape the database as you can see right here. All these have been recently registered. You get the register name, the email, the phone number, the country, every single data you need. You have it right here and you can reach out to these businesses because obviously they just purchased the domain, means they need services. This is super, super powerful, especially if you're local in the US, in Canada, in Spain, in Colombia, wherever you are, even in Lebanon, in the Middle East, in Dubai. Perfect. Now with LinkedIn leads, this is really, really, really powerful. So say you want to actually find this big corporate company, wherever, maybe in Spain, in Qatar, in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, and the US, and you want to find this manager, the executive manager. How do you do that? You go to LinkedIn Leads. And that's how you do it. All you have to do with LinkedIn Leads is actually place the domain name of this company. So previously, I've put socialpilot.co, for example. It gave me 117 contacts. If you go to actually view those leads, as you can see right here, now I have Shinmoyi Saikai and I have their LinkedIn, and they are the information technology and services and HR manager in Social Pilot. You've got here a social media manager, product specialist. So say I want to reach to a digital marketing manager. Now I have the contact details and I can directly contact them. This is super, super powerful if you want to offer something huge for a big corporate company and you want to reach the right contact in the company. Okay, now we go to Facebook leads, and this is based on keyword like Google. This is super, super powerful. Say you actually want something for your own agency. You want a video editor and you don't have one in-house. And you want to find a really smart video editor. Now you can find a bunch of video editors via the keyword on Facebook. Look at that. It loads it, it takes time, and here it is. It gives you different video editors right here, which you can save and contact. As we are recording this demo, our team is updating this feature currently. That's why it says NA, but usually get the email and every single thing, and you can export to CSV. Everything is managed from the leads manager. You've got as well one-click logins to Cleverly Box Flexawapi, which allows you to contact these leads via their WhatsApp phone numbers, as an agency, you get to have PageMingo so that you can reach out and create them websites as well and sell them these websites by just click, click, click. Based on industry, we've got multiple templates, and this is part of a huge package. As you can see right here, these are the leads. And as I record this demo, the team is in there coding and operating. So let's see something right in here. I want to show you something. As you can see, here are the email addresses of each listing. Our system gathered it from the engine we've created internally, and it gives you all the agents in Brooklyn, NYE, as you can see right in here. This is crazy, crazy, crazy good. Now for GMP reports. I've created a bunch before. You can find them all in here. So say we want to go to this listing and we want to create a GMB report. All you got to do is press on this button, generate, ask what you want it to generate. So you want claim, local, blah, blah, blah. Let's pick all of them right in here. Video report and generate report. That's all I gotta do, and it starts generating the report. As you can see, it popped up in a new tab showing me the whole report. And this is the report where you can toggle in if you have it for this certain client, and it will be attached within the email. This is so powerful. It allows you to reach out to massive amount of leads every single day. And that's how we closed one of the high ticket offers at 10K for a client in New Zealand. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and until next time.